Hey yo tout le monde, c'est Cool Raoul. Aujourd'hui, nouvelle vidéo sur GTA 4. On se retrouve pour la suite. Nous devions aller voir Mallory, je crois. Non, Manny. D'accord, Manny, ok, ouais. Et Brucey. D'accord, bon, on va aller voir Manny parce que... Ben, je sais pas qui c'est en vrai. Bon! Ta gueule maintenant, ça va? Le mec, il entend des voix. C'est fini maintenant. Escuela of the streets.
Well, you know, we gotta clean up some eggs, brother. We're gonna clean them up, you know? Yeah, here, right here. Turn around, man, right here.
Here, Manny Escuela is rapping with a street accomplice about cleaning up the streets
Yeah.
of Boaz.
Turn that off.
These street
Wait a
criminals are trying to reform their neighborhood. Hey, please,
Hey, hold
what
on
are you
a
doing?
second,
Hey,
man.
wait! Manny!
Sorry.
Okay, everyone, that'll be all for today. That was great. Thank you very much. That'll be all for today. Thanks a lot. What are you doing?
What were you saying?
We gotta get some of these dealers off the streets, man, you know? And I want them to know it was me, man.
Fine, just don't point the camera at me when you're doing it.
Well, it's my testimony, man. Look, brother, would you help, please? Look, I got money. I got money.
In which case you've got help.
Good. All right. Hey, how's the camera?
It's not good.
What do you mean it's no good? Can
Just
you
don't
take this?
even...
Okay. All right, okay, well, listen, look. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get all these dealers up the streets and we're gonna kick their ass and they're gonna know it was me.
On te dit 8 fois de pas pointer une caméra sur ma gueule. Toi, tu continues. Pas à un moment donné, faut pas s'étonner que ça parte en couille, tu vois ce que je veux dire. Alors, tu veux faire fuir les dealers du quartier, c'est ça que tu veux, mon grand? Bah, c'est très bien. Et qu'est-ce qu'on fout là? Non, me dis pas que je dois suivre ce type, s'il te plaît. J'ai pas que ça à faire, j'ai pas envie de faire ça. S'il te plaît.
Hey, B, we got to follow him to them other leeches, man. They be sucking the damn life out of these streets.
Ok, mec.
Warehouse and get rid of the dealers.
Ah ouais. Ok, donc en fait, on doit le suivre dans l'entrepôt pour
I thought
tuer.
you were going to clean up the streets.
Hey, the message is what's important, man. It don't matter who gives it. I, for one, ain't in this shit for the ego trip. You taking my money, aren't you? Be my voice. I'm gonna go back and get Jay.
Ok, mec. Eh putain, il prend ma chop à l'autre. Mais allez. Hein? La porte est verrouillée. Bah non, elle était déverrouillée. Oh, putain. Ah, ok. C'est le... Effectivement, il y avait une organisation bizarre. Hein. Sors de l'entrepôt. Ouais. Ok, voilà.
The fearsome street warrior stands beside the site of another gangland massacre.
That's right.
Oh, cut.
What?
Okay.
What?
Oh. Could you walk out of there just one more time? We need to get the shot just right.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
I can put my foot to your face if you like. I don't mind doing that again and again till I get it right.
Easy, Nico. Hey, did it look good? Huh? Was it a good mixture of that sadness and resolve?
You looked great.
Great, yeah, let's do it.
Okay, from the top.
Yeah, right here. Wait, where are you going? Right.
More senseless death than the police aren't even here yet. Help has only one name on the streets of South Bowen. Manny Escuela.
That's right. Follow me. We'll be prepared. Street life ain't pretty.
En fait, il se sert de moi pour faire de l'argent, des vues, des trucs et tout bordel en fait. Il veut devenir une star à travers une caméra, grâce à moi. En fait, il se sert de moi pour tuer des gens. Ok, d'accord. Et comment il savait que c'était des dealers, ces gens-là? Il les traque depuis un moment ou je sais pas? Street Sweeper.
Okay, guys, I just want to get one more shot,
Okay.
please. This is going to look great right over here.
well,
Officer,
well,
please, I need
over
you this
here.
way. Thank you. Tight up with Manny. I need you guys tight. It's going to be great. Okay, thank you. A little closer, Thank you so much. It's wonderful, beautiful. Now, we are going to be...
Yeah, all I can say is I hope you'll continue to make the community a better place.
Hey, man, you know, for a cop, you ain't so bad, man. You know, give it up.
The streets, man. Word. Give it up.
Okay.
Hey, Officer McCready, this is Nico right here. This is my man Nico.
Oh, good to meet you. I hear you're helping this guy with his vital work for our city.
Oh, no, I'm just a tourist.
Look, Manny, I gotta go.
All right.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you, officer. Thanks. Yeah, you know, it was a real big thing for me, you know what I'm saying? A real street cat to start working with the gatekeepers of the community to make things better. I mean, where I'm from, out here, man, police, it's a dirty word, man.
Manny,
You know?
I got things to do. You, off.
Yo, man, I was just getting my flow on, man. I ain't rap for years. I was one of them cats who invented that shit, man. It went commercial.
Yeah, like charity work.
Shit, man, I'm the voice of the streets, man. Yo, if I'm gonna make some money, that's the way shit's gonna be.
All right, I'm just saying.
Whatever, man. Fucking punk. Yo, listen, homeboy, I need you to do me a favor, man. Listen, man, I need you to help me out, man. I need you to get some bitches taken out, moved on, whatever. Cause, yo, I promised Mr. McCready I was gonna get this place cleaned up, and I will.
Okay, how many?
A bunch, man, a bunch. They're hanging out and making bad shit happen all over South Bohan, man. They're over on Windmill Street right now.
All right. What did they do?
Man, they disrespected the codes of the streets, man. The streets, man, they owe you, man. They owe you big time.
As long as they pay.
Over here, man.
I'm on you.
Yo, that's what I'm saying, man. Streets, we got codes, man. You know what I'm saying? We live by these codes, you know what I mean?
Le mec il fait ouais la rue, la rue, la rue. Cousin, tu connais rien à la rue en fait. Tu connais que dalle, ouais. Le mec il parle de code et tout bordel, tout ça. Ouais, c'est ça, ouais, des codes. De quoi tu parles, frère? Tu sais même pas de quoi tu parles, trou du cul. Voilà. Merde. Putain, y'en a, il s'est barré. En fait, je me suis téléporté en plein milieu du truc, en fait. Merde. What? Je suis tombé. Et voilà, le man Brucey out of the closet. Ouais.
Hey, man. Hey, guys.
Trixie! Hey! Hit me!
What?
Hit me! Come on! Oh!
Nico, you want to go on a date? Come on! What's wrong with you?
Okay, who is she?
That's the thing. It's a guy.
Fuck you.
No, dude! Listen! The cousin of that guy you killed, Lyle Rivas, owes me a lot of money. And the dick won't pay. Instead, he said he's gonna have me kill that bitch. Hi-ya!
Brucey, you got to chill. For real.
Yeah.
Now listen, NB, this guy isn't hiding, but he's a serious...
He's a serious cockhound.
Oh, so you think of me?
No, but the guy knows me, and I don't think anyone would date that fat slob.
So, I'm just doing your profile.
All right, let me see. I am a vulnerable guy who needs to be held by big, strong arms.
Yeah.
You got to be kidding me.
I knew we should have made him a giver, not a taker, Brucey.
Oh, shut up! Now listen, Nicky. I need you. And I will pay heavily for this.
Okay. Androman, cousin, you're a dick.
Nicky! Shit.
Oh putain, il est trop fort. Ça, tu vois, c'est un humour, on va dire, mature, tu vois. C'est un humour adulte. Un peu délinquant, mais ça va, tu vois, franchement, ça va. Y'a que les gamins qui comprennent pas les blagues, tu vois. Et ça, c'est bien. Car en fait, GTA, c'est fait que pour un seul monde. Le monde des adultes. French Tom. Oh, bordel, ça c'est moi. French Tom, c'est qui c'est lui? Ah bah putain, on dirait un personnage de GTA 3. C'est incroyable. Ben, rendez-vous. Bah, j'imagine, hein. Tu as envoyé un... Déconnecte-toi. Ouais, vaut mieux, ouais. C'est qui? Mallory?
Hey, Nico.
Hey, Nico.
You tired of Manny yet?
Non,
I was tired of him as soon as I saw
c'est
him.
déjà mort, non, je l'ai rencontré.
I got someone else who might have some work for you. Elisabetta Torres. She's got an apartment on San Quentin in Forsyth. Meet me there.
Eh ben, elle a de bons plans, elle, hein. C'est incroyable. D'abord, je me colle un casse-couille avec sa télé-réalité, je sais pas quoi, et maintenant, elle me branche avec une femme, bah, je sais pas qui c'est. Faut qu'on cause.
All right, man.
Okay,
if
mate.
you want my advice, the only way you're going to get your balls back to normal is if you stop juicing or you get implants.
How many times I have to tell you, homie, my balls are golden, okay? I want to talk to you about Roman. He's got a problem. He's gambling like an animal. Online, in clubs, everywhere. You need to control your cousin, bro.
Roman's a grown-up. He can look after himself, Brucey.
He's getting involved with some serious cats, homie. Even people I might think twice about dealing with. And I'm one dangerous motherfucker, okay? Put him in Gamblers Anonymous or something. I'm starting to think he's more interested in cards than chasing pussy. And that ain't cool, you dig?
Sure, Brucey. Thanks for the heads up.
Il joue, hein, sur bah, les casinos, évidemment, hein, et il fréquente de la merde. Voilà.
My city, that's the way you want it, amigo? Then that's what you're gonna get. And that shut him up.
Fucking punk.
Oh, hey, ¿cómo
Hey,
estás?
how's it
Wait, espera.
Jorge, he's with me. Liz, this is Nico, Roman's cousin. And Nico, this is Elisabetta. She's an old friend. She'll get you some work.
Okay, thank you,
Aye.
Ma. So, tough guy, you know about this business?
I know about protection. What do you need?
I need someone no one knows to oversee a deal I'm not sure about.
Easy.
I think it'll be a bit more taxing than hanging with Manny on the streets.
Not so. For one, I won't have to listen to him talk.
True! Hey, Nico, this is Patrick. Paki McCreary.
All right.
Hey,
So, Paki is shopping. But I've never trusted the people he's buying off, and I can't, in good consciousness, help him unless he's got some extra insurance. You.
And that's why you're the best, darling?
Ah, maybe.
All right, tough guy, let's do this.
sure.
See you later, Nico.
Goodbye.
And will you call Michelle again? She really likes you.
Yeah.
Buena suerte.
So, he seems okay.
Oh, he's totally cool. Yeah, he's like family.
J'avais complètement oublié que mon personnage était en couple avec Michelle.
Going.
I got this meeting over on Joylet Street. There's a rifle up on the roof of the place next door. You need to go up there and make sure nothing goes wrong. You'll see me and my boys show up in a bit. You're my guardian angel.
You don't trust these guys you're doing the deal with. How come you trust me?
You got a good look about you. And I'm lucky with my gut feelings.
Eh ben c'est gentil, hein. J'ai une bonne tête. Et dans la vraie vie, ça donnerait quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Quoi? Il vient de dealer de la cam devant les flics. Et maintenant, il tape à rebattre maintenant, lui. Voilà. Monter et récupérer le... Ouais, récupère le fusil de précision, quoi. Ok, voilà. Va jusqu'à la position de tir. Ouais. Wesh, mais c'est pas du tout cramé ton bordel, hein. Ok. Et maintenant... Ah ouais d'accord, je vais le surveiller carrément comme ça. Oh putain, dans la nuque. Tac. Oh toi le moustachu, je te fais pas confiance hein. Ok là il commence à s'énerver, ouais. Ça va chauffer là à tout moment ça. Oh. Putain j'avais pas encore entendu le... J'avais pas encore entendu le bruit du sniper avec le mode tir réaliste, enfin le bruit réaliste ou bordel là. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait lui? Quoi? Paki est mort? Mais non. Ok c'est bon, je les ai tous butés sa mère. Ok maintenant. Ça c'est pas qui ça? Ah ouais. Ok c'est bon, c'est fait. Qu'est-ce qu'il va raconter?
Those dealers double-crossed your boy. But I managed to keep him alive.
Monomy was right about you. You are good.
Ok.
I have some more work for you. I'm sure Paki is pleased as well,
Ah, ok, parfait, nickel. Du coup, j'allais dire quoi? J'allais dire ainsi, ouais, vas-y, ça fait un bail qu'on n'a pas vu Michelle. Du coup, je pense qu'on va prendre un petit date avec elle. Ah.
Michelle, it's Nico. Are you doing anything? You want to meet up?
I haven't heard from you in a really long time. I miss you. Sure, I'd like that. Pick me up in an hour?
Excellent. See you in an hour.
Michel, tu peux descendre, je suis déjà là. Par contre, tu pourrais mieux t'habiller, s'il te plaît. On va peut-être l'emmener boire un verre, peut-être que ça la détendra un petit peu, je sais pas. C'est pas mal par ici, hein. Oh putain. Je suis complètement plein mort. Mais qui... Et elle est torchée? Même pas, frère, elle a même pas bu. Je suis... Oh Seigneur.
So, did you drink in there? I could swear it was just me knocking back that stuff.
Bah ouais.
Shit, I do not know.
Voilà. Tentez ta chance, s'il te plaît.
Are you going to invite me in? For a coffee, I mean.
After today, sure.
Après un rendez-vous comme
But if
celui-là,
this
bien
ends up
sûr.
on the internet,
Mais ça
I'll
finit
kill
sur
you.
internet, je te tue. Super,
But I
mais
hope
j'espère
you
que
don't
tu
kiss
vas
and tell.
pas tout raconter.
Hey, Nico Bellic!
That girl's a good listener.
Ah ouais. Ma manette, elle a compris ce qui s'est passé. Allô? Allô mon frère, paraît que tu fricotes avec Elisabetta,
She
toi.
pays good, man.
Elle paye
You know
bien.
her?
Yeah, man, me know her, Nico. Even bad man scared of that girl there.
Should I not be doing business with her?
Nah, man, she's a real good businesswoman, you know, star. Just don't get on her wrong side. See? This around, me call you.
Michel!
Hey, Nico. Mallory tells me you are working with Elisabetta Torres now.
Do you two know each other? Elisabetta seems to have a lot of friends.
That's because she's a dealer, Nico. Junkies like the people who supply them with drugs. You aren't getting involved in that world, are you?
I'm trying to avoid it, Michelle. Maybe I do a few errands for Elisabetta. Nothing serious, though. I am no dealer.
If you need help with anything, Nico, just speak to me. If you want to get something off your chest, I'm a good listener, you know?
I know, Michelle. I really appreciate your concern, but, I can look after myself. I'm a big boy, and I must make my own decisions. See you soon.
Yeah, Nico. See you soon.
Je pense pas que ce soit une bonne idée de raconter, enfin de déballer ta vie et les gens que tu fréquentes aux gens qui t'entourent. Je pense pas que ce soit une bonne idée. Oh les gars, je viens de comprendre qui c'était French Tom. En fait, c'est avec le mec avec qui j'ai pris rendez-vous pour le date. Putain, j'avais complètement oublié ce mec. Je sais où on... Attends, je sais où c'est. On se retrouve là-bas. Putain. On vient de prendre rendez-vous avec un homme. Oh, Dimitri!
Nico Bellic. We did not find your body with the others in the warehouse. Mr.
Bah ouais.
Bulgarin and I were very disappointed.
I was loyal to you, Dmitri. Why did you turn on me?
You think I could survive in a cesspit of a city like this by aligning myself with a bottom feeder like you? You who has so many enemies. You
Ouais.
robbed Bulgarin. You killed Mikhail. You know no more of loyalty than I do.
You know why I killed Faustin? It was not my choice.
I will find you, Nico. I have burnt you and your cousin out of Hove Beach. I will smoke you out of any other hiding place you have in this city. See you soon, Nico.
Au lieu de parler derrière un téléphone et de prendre la fuite comme t'as fait, pourquoi est-ce que tu viens pas en face me le dire, fils de pute? Je vais te démonter ta mère la pute là maintenant, Michel, gros, mais écoute, tu sais même pas qui je suis, moi. Sale type, hein. Moi je suis sibérien et toi t'es rien du tout, sale type. Ok, on a le rendez-vous avec le mec. Et quoi, je dois faire quoi en fait avec lui? Je sais bien que c'est une enroule avec Brucey. Avec Brucey, je sais pas quoi là, mais... French Tom, c'est qui, c'est lui?
Hey, are you my date?
Ah ouais.
Thank God. You never know who's going to turn up when you've met someone online.
Yeah, all sorts of sickos can use the internet. You have to be careful. I'm Nico.
So, Nico, what do you do?
I do a lot of things. What's your job?
Job? Job? Everyone's talking about this job guy. I haven't met him and I don't want to. Mr. Job sounds like an asshole.
Really? What type of man do you want to meet?
One out. How the
Ok,
fuck do you
ok,
know
là
who
ça
I
part en
pay
couille,
and
ça
don't
part en
pay
couille.
back? Fuck you, bitch. You ain't Miss Thang. You can't tell me shit about who I am.
I'm just here to do a job. People in this world need to work. And my work is getting rid of you.
I wouldn't fuck a scummy immigrant like you anyway.
Ouais. D'accord, mec. Putain! Oh, ça s'en mêle, ça se mêle, ça se mêle. putain, c'est pas le moment. Ok, nickel, c'est bon. Brucey, numéro 1.
Hey, Brucey, what's up?
Hey, Nico B. Come here, show me the love man hug time.
Enough, all right?
Whoa, what are we about here, you and me?
I don't know.
What are we about, boy?
Oh, I'm an immigrant and a hired gun, and you're a steroid junkie, but we get along.
No, not that stuff. That's superficial. I'm talking about the real shit.
What?
We're winners, man. Fucking winners. That's how we roll, brother. Bling, check. Bodies, check. Paper, check. That's how we roll, bitches. The boss.
Are you all right? Too much bullshark testosterone up the ass?
Fuck you, man. Hey, check this out. Lenny! Lenny! Is the bitch ready?
Well, she's very shiny.
Look at her and weep tears of pure gold. Motherfuckers! Come on now, let's go show some people just how we roll. Yeah, alright, come on, get in. Come on, start you!
Pure gold, eh, big man?
Lenny, you're a fucking asshole. What is this? What is this?
You tuned to yourself.
Well, what should I do? I mean, I need a flashy car. People are gonna think I'm a no-nut bullshitter if I fail to deliver here.
How about Steve's car?
Yes, I'll call him on the way. Nico, can you drive us to Freetown Avenue in Willis?
Yeah.
Come on, let's roll, bitches! Woo!
En gros, il faut pas laisser Brucey toucher les bagnoles, sinon il démarre plus.
He's fine with us taking it?
Bien sûr. Allez, monte Brucey, arrête de parler, de perdre du temps, maloute. Putain, la ligne de... Non, jure, c'est une course. J'ai horreur des courses. Allez, maloute. Voilà, c'est gagné. Il se passe quoi maintenant? Putain, trop fort, j'adore, mais... Ah non, je t'adore. Ah ouais. T'assures au volant, je suis comment?
Take me back to my party, man. I'm feeling jacked. I want to hit the weights now. I feel like
J'ai un bon feeling avec toi là-bas. Je te sens bien, mec.
You let me inside. You let your armor down, you know. We had a moment, man. Call me and we'll hang.
Sure we did.
Elisabeth, t'as... Putain, les soirées où il y a de la drogue, franchement, moi c'est pas trop mon truc. Genre, la bœuf ça peut aller, la cigarette ça peut aller, l'alcool ça peut aller. Non, enfin l'alcool, non pas trop, mais la bœuf et la cigarette et le shit, je m'en ai rien à foutre. Mais quand là ça part dans la poudre blanche et tout des merdes ainsi, tout ça, ouais, ça craint. Franchement, j'aime pas trop, je vais pas mentir. Et voilà.
The crib's on the 3rd floor.
La piole est au 2e. De quoi il me parle? Suis Playboy pour rejoindre le contact au 2e étage. Pourquoi est-ce qu'il y a un fusil là-bas? Oh, yeah. Vas-y, hein. Mais, ouais, tellement les portes sont déjà ouvertes et tout. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Y'a Johnny. C'est un biker, lui. C'est un motard.
Hey, you ready?
Sure, let's do this. Nothing like selling some dope to let you know you're alive.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, come on.
Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on?
Not much. Let's do this.
You got the heroin, right? Right?
Come on, let's do this quickly.
But you got the heroin, correct? You're carrying it, correct? I mean, it's a simple question.
What's wrong with you? You're being fucking weird.
Not weird, man. I just want to know if you're carrying the stuff, right?
You ain't right, friend.
No,
Come
no,
on,
no,
let's
no.
get out of here.
LCPD! Freeze, motherfucker! I said freeze!
Oh putain, le mec. Mais vraiment, quoi, le mec. Pas du tout cramé, quoi. Moi, limite, le type, il aurait dû faire quoi? Alors, les Jones, on a la goudron, quoi, ici. On va méfier des winges entre Jones, hein. Le type, il aurait dû réagir comme ça. Wesh! Ceux qui sont au-dessus. Allez hop, toi t'es fini. Voilà, toi aussi, par balle ici. Le mec il me passe devant sous le nez comme ça, il est sérieux lui? Ah parce que maintenant j'ai les flics maintenant. Ouais, faut savoir. Hein. Les flics c'était avant qu'il fallait les mettre, hein. C'est pas maintenant. Putain, mon joueur qui pète un câble, ça y est, il est devenu psychopathe.
Here we be, money. I'll hit you up when I need your ass.
Ok man, c'est cool. Alors, the Puerto Rican connection. Money.
Lighter side.
Here, shortly after cleaning up 5 blocks, he
Teaches
teaches a
group of
group
women.
of
Yo, man, you made me look gay, man. I warned you, bro.
What? No, you don't look gay. You look a little metrosexual or something.
Metro's good. It's good. Man, who the hell ever heard of a metrosexual ex-gangster, man? I'm a lord, man, not a lady. This show is gonna make me famous.
You are gonna be famous.
Shit. Yo, Nico, man, what am I supposed to do here, man? I got this film genius here, making me look like a transsexual or something on TV, and now some punk's been talking all kinds of shit, too.
What punks?
Man, bitches I used to roll with, guys caught up in the game, punks in too deep, man. Yo, I tried, man. I tried to be a good guy. I said I'm reformed, man. But I'm pure ghetto, man. And this show is garbage.
Oh, come on.
We don't have to kill a shot, man.
Jeez.
We need to go bust somebody, man.
Do what you want, as long as it doesn't involve me.
Hey, yo, man, we're brethren, right? Give it up, man. All right, man. Yo, listen, can you shut these punks up for me, please?
Where are they?
They're gonna be coming in on the L train, man. From Algonquin to Dukes, man. Hey, I owe you, man. I owe you big time.
Okay.
You see that, man? You see that, man? Yo, that is streets right there, man. Not none of this shit. Got me dancing in skirts with people in the neighborhood. Man, what the fuck is that, man?
Je te le dis, cousin, tu connais rien à la rue, frère. Tu connaîtrais quelque chose à la rue, t'irais même pas emmerder les dealers, t'irais même pas les faire chier, cousin. T'en serais même pas là, tu vois, c'est ça le truc. Non, ce que je veux dire par là, c'est que quand tu connais quelqu'un qui fait du trafic ou des trucs ainsi, cousin, t'es censé lui foutre la paix, t'es censé le défendre. T'es censé même aller le voir et lui dire, yo man, y a pas un trou du cul qui essaye de te devancer, tu vois ce que je veux dire, genre essayer de prendre tes terrains ou qui vend du meilleur matos que toi ou quoi. Parce que si c'est le cas, cousin, fais-moi confiance, je le fais tomber ce mec. T'es pas genre censé faire tomber ceux que tu connais, tu vois ce que je veux dire. Au contraire, t'es censé les défendre. Moi par exemple, si maintenant tout de suite j'ai un pote à moi qui est dealer et que je vais le voir et je vais lui dire yo man, ça se passe ou quoi, il va me dire non, ça se passe pas, cousin, mais quoi, il y a un trou du cul, il a du meilleur matos que moi. Cousin, le mec, je vais lui dire quoi? Je vais dire vas-y frère, c'est quoi, t'es mon pote, vas-y dis-moi ce qui crèche, vas-y viens, on va le baisser sa mère maintenant, tu vois ce que je veux dire. Tu vois, je vais l'aider, je vais pas l'enfoncer, tu vois, puisqu'il ne l'est déjà, tu vois ce que je veux dire gros. Enfin bref, voilà, c'est comme ça, c'est tout. Oh putain, il me faut un véhicule. Là voilà. Conduit jusqu'à le Gangan Bridge, ok. Alors j'ai un gros problème, c'est qu'en fait j'ai suivi le tromé, mais ils m'ont dit comme ça que le mec était descendu, mais je sais pas par où ils descendent les gens. C'est par là?
Damn, son. I hate taking the train.
Ok, c'est bon.
You don't need to worry about people talking garbage no more.
Yeah, you're pure ghetto, man. Just like me, kid. I'm gonna thank you in all my acceptance speeches, man, for real.
Je t'ai rendu service, mec. Maintenant, allons voir Playboy. Wow.
Hey, what's up, money?
Hey.
Come on. Ladies, give me a few minutes. Business calls. This is my town. Look at it. All them tiny ants down there. Man, shit is crazy.
So I guess you do okay.
Yeah, okay. But, what about you? What motivates you?
Well, I need money. This pays. I can do it. I don't care if I live or die. And I'm looking for someone.
Someone special?
Yeah, you could say that. So, why do you need me?
Well, I'm always looking for good guys. Build an army. But in my work, the people change. Money changes people, not me. Yeah, I'm still a hustler from these streets. And I heard good things about you.
Okay, but I'm warning you. I'm not low budget.
Do I look like I live low budget, dog?
Yo, player,
Fuck you want?
there's someone here for you. Dwayne or some shit, I don't know.
Damn. My dude!
What's up, son? What's going down?
You didn't tell me you was getting out? Man, I would've laid on a party, got some freaks out. Shit.
I called. Couple of times.
Man, hey, Dwayne, this is Nico.
Hey.
Nico Dwayne Ford. Taught me everything I know.
Not everything.
So, hey, man, where you stand? You need some money? What's the plan?
What you mean, what's the plan? Pick up where we left off. I'm out, I'm back. We keep on rolling.
You say we?
Yeah, we. Unless you too fine. What? Your silk chic, fancy dress wearing life too big for me now?
Oh, hey, now I ain't saying that. You know what's mine is yours. You need help, just holler. Hell, this Slavic motherfucker any good, he can help you. And you know I'll do anything I can. But right now, we gotta roll. Just give me 1 second.
Ain't folk quick to forget.
Some folk.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Where did you get out from?
Preschool.
Okay, Dwayne, we gotta roll. Please make yourself at home. Hell, this is your home. Let's jet, money.
Motherfucker must think I'm an idiot.
Ok, d'accord, donc je comprends, enfin je vois un peu le conflit. Alors, comment formuler ça? Alors, Dwayne sort de prison. Si je peux comprendre, alors Dwayne en fait c'était vraiment le chef du réseau. Il s'est fait choper, donc il est béton. Du coup Playboy en a profité pour être le chef, pour reprendre les rênes, quoi, je veux dire comme ça. Et visiblement Dwayne est sorti de prison, mais ça a pas l'air de faire kiffer Playboy. Il y a quand même à l'aise. Ça sent pas bon ça. Monte dans la voiture pour récupérer les armes. Ah, ça c'est bien ça.
Yo, there's 3 lookout cats making sure no one makes move on the site.
Ok.
You best take them out with the
Je te conseille de les descendre avec le fusil avant de t'occuper des autres.
I'm gonna get in a position where I
Je
can
vais
see
mettre en
all the
position
shit going down.
pour
If you
surveiller
can
tout.
take out the main cats, then the rest of them shouldn't be a problem. When you
Ok.
in there, I'll give you the lowdown on where these main cats is at.
Avec
You
cette
might be
faveur.
better seeing
D'accord,
the look.
ok. Donc maintenant il faut que je fume les gardes qui sont sur les grues. Oh putain! Wesh! Oh putain! Hop là dans sa tête.
All them lookouts gone, money. Get in there and free up the site.
Maintenant on va libérer le chantier. Ça tire! Putain! On va prendre le AK-47. Ok, il est mort lui. Wesh, qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il y a un man. C'est Roman? Ouais, yo! Putain! Il y a un hélicoptère! où le point? Où est-ce qu'il compte aller, lui?
I got rid of all the union problems on this site. As you can see, this place is going to need a cleanup before any workers come in.
You the money, son. USSPA won't put me through to the cat, but when they hear about this shit, they're gonna start listening to Playboy.
Bah écoutez, voilà les gens, donc c'est la fin de la vidéo. J'espère qu'elle vous aura plu. N'hésitez pas à lâcher un pouce bleu et à vous abonner. Sur ce, moi je vous dis à la prochaine pour la suite. Ciao tout le monde, à bientôt.